viewers, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Shreya and you're watching Language Fluent. We at Language Fluent teach foreign languages for job, immigration purposes, etc. We also provide job-oriented courses which have a duration of 2 years. For more information regarding the courses, you can call us on the numbers provided below or download our application. Link is provided in the description. So today we're going to learn saludos y despedidas y frases comunes. So let's start, and first we'll start with saludos, which is greetings. First we have is hola, hola, which is hello or hi. So just remember, it is silent in Spanish, so it's pronounced as hola, hello or hi. Next we have is ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Which is an informal way of asking how are you. So ¿cómo estás? Is the informal way of asking how someone is, and we use here estás. So to be in Spanish is ser or estar, and in this case we use estar to ask how someone is. So the conjugations of estar are estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, está. So the informal way is ¿cómo estás? And we use it for our friends and family and the person we are close with. Next we have is ¿cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Which is the formal way of asking how someone is. And we use ¿cómo está usted? With our superiors and colleagues and the persons we don't know or we are meeting for the first time. Next we have is ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Is also a way of asking how someone is, and it's the formal way. So ¿qué tal? Is a phrase which we use to ask someone how they are. Next we have is buenos días. Buenos días, which is good morning. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, which is good afternoon, or we sometimes use it for good evening if it's before dark. Last we have buenas noches. Buenas noches, which is good evening if it's after dark, and good night. So let's repeat the greetings once again. Hola is hello or hi. ¿Cómo estás? Is how are you informal. ¿Cómo está usted? Is how are you formal. ¿Qué tal? Is how are you. Buenos días is good morning. Buenas tardes is good afternoon or good evening if it's before dark. And buenas noches is good evening after dark or good night. Now we'll look at the farewells. Now we'll start with despedidas, which is farewell. So let's start. First we have is adios. Adios, which is goodbye. Ciao. Ciao. It's written both ways and it means bye. Hasta luego. Hasta luego, which is see you later. Hasta luego, again remember it is silent. Hasta luego, which is see you later. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana, which is see you tomorrow. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto, which is see you soon. Nos vemos. Nos vemos, which is see you. Now we'll look how we're going to reply to when someone asks us how we are. So now we're going to see how to reply to how are you. So first we have, if someone asks us, how are you, which is como estás or como está usted, if we say, estoy muy bien, it means I am very good or I am very well. Estoy muy mal is I am not very well or I am very unwell. Estoy bien is I am good. Estoy mal is I am unwell or I am not well. So here muy means very. Now regular or más o menos, which is so. If someone asks us how are you, and if you want to say it's I'm so, like not very well, not very bad either, so we're going to say regular or más o menos. Now no estoy bien is I am not well or I am unwell. For example, if someone asks us ¿Cómo estás? How are you? If we reply estoy bien, ¿y tú? It means I'm good. And you? Like what about you? Now we have I am sorry, which is lo siento, and it's also, if we want to say I'm sorry, we sometimes use perdón, discúlpame, perdóname, which are the informal ways. Perdona, disculpa, it's also the informal way, and perdone, or disculpe, these both are the formal ways. Now we'll look at some common phrases. So now we have nice to meet you, which is called mucho gusto. Pleased to meet you is encantado or encantada. Again, if it's encantado, it's for the masculine, and if it's encantada, it's for the feminine. Likewise, which is called igualmente. Excuse me is disculpe. Thank you is gracias. Thank you very much or thanks a lot is muchas gracias. You're welcome is de nada. So that's it for today's lecture. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next lecture. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next lecture. Adios.